Boy, Rudy Currence, get ready to rock the stage. University of Miami, thank y'all for the opportunity. God is good, God is amazing, man.
University of Miami, y'all feeling all right?
See if you know this.
Come on now, who do you think?
I'm a singer-songwriter, recently signed to DTP, Island Def Jam. Ludacris is on stage right now, so we just opened for him actually. What happened was, I was an independent artist before. I had released 2 independent albums, 2 indie albums. The first was titled More Than You'll Ever Know. The second was titled Here With You, both of which you can get on iTunes, so make sure y'all support. My brother Michael Starr actually produced on both of them as well, so big shouts to Michael Starr. So definitely doing this thing. Basically, I had released several independent projects, and DTP had heard about me through radio personalities and program directors and music directors, A&R. They were hearing about me through different artists on their roster. So like our buzz in the streets was getting pretty crazy. And at one point I did over like 100 colleges, you know, in a year. So we definitely were grinding, and just I guess because of the grind and what we were doing, they decided to take an interest. They came to a show that I did in Charlotte. I actually was out Christmas shopping for Michael Starr, getting him some kicks for Christmas, and one of the A&Rs came up.
Did you like the kicks?
Yeah, I rock them.
A lot of side notes.
Still rocking
So, but yeah, so I was out there, and it was like, yo, you know, DTP's interested in you. I'm like, yo, really? So our mom, my manager, Patricia Kearns, much love you, mommy.
Love you, mama.
I basically, you know, put them in correspondence or whatever. We had a show in Charlotte, North Carolina. They came to the show. We smashed it, so they had me come down and showcase in Atlanta in front of Ludacris and Shaka Zulu and Jeff Dixon, the three CEOs of DTP, and the rest is history. Now we in University of Miami, rocking stadiums.
Hell yeah.
We got a new single out. The other, produced by DJ Don Cannon, is Stupid, Dope, Crazy, Crack. I want y'all to get it, download it on Mediafire. Both our singles are available on Mediafire. New music video coming for the other. Hopefully we'll get to shoot with the Archetype. Shoot another music video real soon. We just shot a video. Big shouts to Swan over in India. He's coming back to the States soon. He shot several videos. Facebook, subscribe. We got a fan page, friend me, add me, whatever they do on Facebook. It comes to my phone, so my phone is crazy, but I get it all, and I appreciate all the love, all of the correspondence, all the comments. I retweet and comment all day, every day. So thank y'all. Much love to God for the opportunity for, you know, we give him honor in everything that we do. And so thank you guys again. And University of Miami, of course, thank y'all for having us. DTP, thanks for believing in me. Disturbing the Peace, thanks for believing. Mic Check Entertainment, we love y'all. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Rudy Currence, and this is my baby brother Michael Starr. And if you want to catch this interview, please log on to wearethearchetype.com.
Archetype Collective.